In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Samsung tablet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your DualSense controller wirelessly on any Samsung tablet model that you have. To start, you have to set up your PlayStation 5 controller, so you need to put it into pairing mode. First, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your Samsung tablet. With this done, you will be able to press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously on the PlayStation 5 controller. Once you press and hold these buttons simultaneously, it is going to enter pairing mode. Once the DualSense controller is in pairing mode, you will be able to find it under the list of available Bluetooth devices on the Samsung tablet. So choose it from under the list and the connection will be established. As long as the light bar on the controller is blinking, it indicates that it is in pairing mode, and once you choose it from the list of available devices, it is going to stop blinking and remain stable colored. Now, you will be able to use it on any game that supports PlayStation 5 inputs, so you can go into something like Roblox, GeForce Now, Minecraft, or so on, and you will be able to use the DualSense controller on your Samsung tablet. It is going to remain connected indefinitely as long as it has sufficient battery. Every single future time that you power on the DualSense controller, it will automatically connect itself to the Samsung tablet, and you can choose it from the list of available devices. You can unpair it if you notice any problems, and if it doesn't work right away, I first recommend that you restart your Samsung tablet, and as long as you do this, you will be able to repeat the same process. So press and hold the PlayStation and the share button, try again and see if the connection is established the second time. As long as Bluetooth is enabled, you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Samsung tablet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.